Okay, I'm a GP and I've got a pretty busy life. I've been so grateful for Rod building this aquaponics for me, and to me it is an absolute dream come true because I don't have to dig in the soil. I can come out, spend a few minutes each day just checking the plants, and to me it just really popped up. Everything's growing so well. I've got tomatoes, Thai basil, some chives that Rod brought, and Brazilian spinach. So yeah, and the beans are growing really well. So it's just like so perfect for me because I don't want to be digging in the soil. I don't want to be bending over. This is like waist height. I love the sound of the water. To me, that's a beautiful sound. And to come out and just look at the fish swimming around. So it's just like a whole unit, and it doesn't take up a lot of space. So it's just here in my front driveway. I get the sun in the morning. So that's really good, and in the afternoon like now it's got the shade, so it really is perfect for me, and I'm looking forward to experimenting with different plants, so different herbs and different vegetables and a bigger system, so that'll be next. Yeah.